Hello and welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing. I'm Amy Harber. Here's all the places you could find me. This is the Ipsy October 2020 glam bag. It is so hauntingly beautiful. Oh, it's got like some zodiac vibes too, some witchy vibes, some magical vibes. I am all about it. The theme is your magic. With a pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara wand, this month will cast a spell on yourself. Let's cast a spell and find out what the products are. So hey, October, Ipsy bag. I figured I'd wear a little Halloween costume. Okay, it's not really a Halloween costume. It's a Supergirl shirt that has a cape, but still, one of my favorite Halloween costumes is to dress up like Supergirl. Anyway, the theme is your magic. Poof! 5 awesome products to talk about. Okay, let's dump them out here in my lap. Find out what they are. Oh, look. It says on the back, your magic. There's the front, there's the back. Got a cute little charm here. Okay. Benefit, Gimme Brow. It is awesome. It is one of the best brow products around. Let's just show you what it does. Tame those brows. I need my brows like tweezed and cleaned up so bad, but hello, pandemic. There we go. I got some brows now. Fun times. And we have It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Salon Volume Black Mascara. I'm not going to open it because that will set the timer on it. If you don't know what that means you start letting air get in there. It's only going to last about 3 months. You should replace your mascara like every 3 months. Same as your toothbrush. There you go. Okay, I think it's a new product. I don't think we've ever had any Bobbi Brown products. Maybe in Birchbox, but not in Ipsy. So Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So it is a primer, a nourishing. It's got vitamin E, vitamin B, vitamin C. It's just supposed to smooth and make it look gorgeous. And it smells pretty decent too. That's what it looks like. Whoop. Excited to try that. It looks like thinner than regular primers. So we'll find out. Then we have the Slmissglam P40 Rounder Blusher Brush. It's a little sparkly. Fun times. Finally, the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in Popping Champagne. If you know me, you know I love to pop champagne. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you know it's one of my favorite things to do. So let's just highlight and see what it does. Highlight away. Just highlight the nose a little bit. There we go. Highlight right there. Highlight that cheekbone. Anyway, that is the magical Ipsy October glam bag. You know where to find me. Then like, subscribe, whatever it tells you to do in one of these boxes here at the end of this video. And until next time, stay beautiful.